Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So what you can do in this kind of situation when you can't even unlock your device? Firstly, you have to turn it off by holding down power key plus volume up, swipe power off, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see OnePlus logo appeared, release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu, select English, then select Format Data, then enter verification code, which you can see here, like not this one, but you will have your own individual code. So you enter it, then tap Format, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be formatted, including your lock screen password. And then device restarts in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.